GlucoTrust reviews, discover a method to support healthy blood sugar levels. GlucoTrust review. GlucoTrust is a blood sugar support supplement that uses almost 24 ingredients to manage the glucose in the body. The formula is safe to use daily, offering the natural support that medications do not. Because it is available in soft pill form, GlucoTrust is easy to consume and can be taken every day for better overall health and a reduced risk of diabetes. Diabetes is a very serious medical condition which causes abnormally high than normal blood glucose levels, resulting in excessive and prolonged carbohydrate intake leading to excessive fat storage. Diabetes is usually diagnosed when symptoms are apparent, with age of approximately 20 years. In some cases, diabetes can be inherited, but it often occurs later in life, after the sufferer has developed a few other illnesses such as heart failure, stroke, obesity, or chronic liver disease. It is not difficult to learn about diabetes because the condition itself is quite well known and is explained by the name diabetes. However, there are many different types of diabetes and different ways to treat the disease. If you are concerned that you may have diabetes, please contact your doctor or healthcare provider immediately to arrange tests, medication, and advice. There are two main ways in which the body makes insulin, both from the islet of Langerhans in the pancreas and from the islets of Elatetia in the liver. The pancreas is required to secrete more insulin to raise blood glucose levels and maintain health. However, the liver is only needed to secrete insulin when food is needed. There are basically two types of cells which secrete insulin: the islet cells which make insulin from glucose, and the islet cell which produces insulin in response to a protein molecule called insulin stimulating factor, ISF, both of which are present in the pancreas and liver. There are many different classes of diabetes medications. The most common type of medication for people with diabetes is glucose-lowering medication or glucose reduction medication. These medications are usually taken in combination with other medications, usually oral medications or insulin. Other types of diabetes medications include antihypertensive medications, antiplatelets, and antidiuretics. The primary objective of these medications is to control or reduce the amount of glucose produced by the body. In essence, these drugs attempt to reverse the increase in blood glucose production caused by the diabetes. Many diabetics also use a special type of medication known as aminophylline, which suppresses hunger and reduces the amount of glucose excreted by the kidney. Scientists believe that there are only two types of diabetes. The first is type I, in which there is no evidence of damage or disease in the cells, and the second is type 2, which shows evidence of damage to one or more cells. There are genetic predispositions to either type of diabetes, as well as other factors such as diet and lifestyle. It is not possible to cure either type of diabetes. However, new methods of treating diabetes have been developed over the last few decades. The most common form of treatment for both types of diabetes is medicine, with a great majority of patients using insulin as their primary medication. Shocking new GlucoTrust report: this may change your mind. Must see this before you buying. What are the risks of imbalanced blood sugar levels? If the body's system isn't able to regulate blood sugar levels in your body, typical symptoms are being thirsty and experiencing irritability. There are some people who experience blurry vision or fatigue. Those who suffer from this condition should seek an examination for confirmation if they suffer from an illness that can cause the symptoms. If you're diabetic or have a loved one who already, you are aware of the need to have a balanced diet of foods to ensure proper level of blood sugar. It is well known that a variety of items in your diet could either raise or lower the levels of sugar, and unfortunately there are many factors to consider. Although it would be great for us to be able to simply remove all substances that cause blood sugar levels rise, but this isn't feasible. Instead, we require ways to keep track of the things we put to our bodies. If it causes a rise in blood sugar levels, we can stay clear of it. If it's okay, then all is well. This is where GlucoTrust comes in as an alternative to a natural safety net that can help to regulate and maintain healthy blood sugar levels. It also helps eliminate harmful particles of matter in the body.